Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Xbox One tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your Xbox One. So first we'll go through how to look up people on Xbox to add them as friends, and then I'll show you how to find people you recently played with in any games and add them as friends. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is hit the Xbox button on our controller to open up the menu. Once the menu opens, scroll to the right using the right bumper until we get to People, and once we're in People, scroll all the way down to the bottom to Find Someone. Select Find Someone. Once Find Someone comes in, we need to type the gamer tag of the person that we want to look up and add as a friend. So I'll go ahead and do that. So once you've typed the name, it'll bring up all the people with that name, and you just need to scroll through, find the person that you want to add as a friend, select them, and then go to Add Friend. Select Add Friend, and now we can select how we want to add them as a friend, either as just a friend or a favorite friend. Once you've selected your desired friend type, scroll to the bottom and select Submit. And now you have added a friend by looking them up. To add a friend from your recently played list, all we need to do is, again, hit the Xbox button on our controller to open the menu, then use the right bumper to scroll right to People. Once we're in People, scroll all the way down to Recently Played With. And then in here, you just need to find the person that you recently played with that you want to add as a friend, select them, and then go down to Add Friend, and you'll go through the same process of selecting the friend type and then submitting the friend request. All right, so that's how you add friends on an Xbox. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Xbox or Xbox One tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.